Hello viewers, this Dial Too Fast here. In today's video I will be reviewing this dash cam from the company REXING. Now REXING has been making dash cams for many years, and if you look on Amazon the ratings are very high, including this REXING V1 Dashcam that I'll be reviewing in this video. This unit records in Full HD 1080p with a 170-degree wide-angle lens, and it has a 2.4-inch color LCD display. So let's unbox this and I'll give you a closer look at the dashcam and go over the features. Here's a V1 dashcam. There's a power cable with a 12-volt power adapter, USB cable, plastic pry tool, mounting clips, windshield mount base with 3M double-sided tape, user manual. Here's a look at everything you get with this dashcam. Let's have a closer look at this dashcam. At the top is a 2.4-inch color LCD display. Below the display, this is the mode button, record button, mic button for turning the microphone on and off, screen button to turn on and off the LCD. In the middle is the OK button. On this side is a mini USB for powering the dashcam. This port is for connecting to an optional GPS antenna. This port is not used on this dashcam. On this side is a memory card slot. The maximum size of the microSD memory card you can install on this unit is 128 GB. Next to it is a power button, reset button, and the menu button. Now there's a knob on both sides to allow you to adjust the angle of the camera. On the bottom is a camera lens. This dashcam records in Full HD 1080p and has a 170-degree wide-angle lens. This dashcam uses a Sony Exmor IMX323 image sensor, which allows for excellent daytime and nighttime video recording. Here's where you install the windshield mounts. Using a double-sided tape on this base, stick this onto the windshield, and then you slide the dashcam onto the base. Here I'll install the memory card. This power cable you see here is 12 feet long, so that'll give you enough length to run it from the headliner down to your center console. To power the unit, connect this connector into the mini USB connector on the dashcam, and then plug this in into your car's 12-volt accessory port. Once the unit is powered on, the recording will begin automatically. That's indicated by the flashing red dot right here. Also, the backlit buttons you see here, record and OK button, will also be flashing. Now if you want to go into the setup menu, you need to first stop the recording. Press the record button right here. The recording stopped. Next, press a menu button on the side. You can use the left and right arrow button here to navigate. First item is the resolution. Press OK. By default, the resolution is Full HD 1920 by 1080. You can also select 720p, WVGA, and VGA resolution. Next, loop recording. By default, it's 3 minutes. Now this dashcam will record continuously non-stop while you're driving, but with the loop recording, it will record a series of 3-minute video clips until the memory card is full, and then we'll start overwriting the oldest file. Time-lapse recording is off. Wide dynamic range by default is on. Exposure by default is 0. You can increase or decrease exposure. Record audio, that's for the microphone, is on right now. Date stamp is on. Plate number. Gravity sensor, or the G sensor, defaults low sensitivity. With the G sensor, if you get into an accident, this dashcam will detect the impact and lock that video clip so it will not be overwritten. To get into the other menu, press the menu button, press it again. Here we can set the date and time. Auto power off, by default is 5 minutes. So if you stop the recording on this dashcam, after 5 minutes the dashcam will shut off automatically. Beep sound, on or off. Language, TV mode, frequency 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Format to format the microSD memory card. I'm going to format it right now. Screensaver, defaults off. If you want the LCD display to turn off while it's recording, This is where you set it. You can set it to turn off in 15 seconds, 1 minute, or 3 minutes. Delay shutdown. Daylight saving. GPS speed unit. So this is for the optional GPS antenna you can plug into the unit. Set time zone. Default setting to revert back to factory default. Version of the software. When you're done, press the menu button. Press the record button. It'll start recording. Now while it's recording, if you want to mute the microphone, press the mic button right here. And then the microphone will be muted. Press it again to unmute it. If you want to turn off the LCD display while it's recording, press this button right here. While it's recording, if you see something happening on the road and you want to lock that video clip in, press the OK button. There's a key icon that shows up at the top that tells you this 3-minute video clip will be locked. Now this dash cam has 3 different modes. Right now we're in the video record mode. If you stop the recording and then press the mode button, now we're in the photo taking mode. Press the OK button to take a picture. Press the mode button again. Now we're in the playback mode. Press the mode button again. Now we're back into the video record mode. Now when you turn off the ignition on your vehicle, this dash cam will shut down automatically. So let's take this to the vehicle, get it installed, and then we'll check out the daytime and nighttime recording. To install the dash cam, first install this windshield mount onto the windshield, remove the backing on the double-sided tape, and then stick this onto the windshield. Next, place the dash cam onto the windshield mounts. Connect the power cable to the dash cam. Run this power cable up to the headliner, over to the A-pillar, and down to your center console. Plug a 12-volt power adapter into your 12-volt accessory port. Turn on the ignition. As you saw in the daytime and nighttime video recording, this REXING V1 Dashcam has pretty good quality video recording. With the daytime video, it has good exposure and contrast. If you're stopped behind a vehicle, you can read license plate that's in front of you. Now with the Full HD 1080p resolution recording, I did notice the image is not as sharp as I like to see. but you're still able to make out details directly in front of you. As for the nighttime recording, even with very little ambient light and street lights, it's able to record a very clear image. I do like the overall design of this dash cam. With a 2.4-inch color LCD display, you have a clear view of what the camera sees, and you can also use it to play back your recorded videos. Also, with the backlit illuminated buttons, it's very easy to operate this unit daytime or nighttime. Installation is also very simple. Using a double-sided tape, place a windshield mount onto the windshield, and then slide a dash cam onto the mounts. At the time of doing this review, you can get this on Amazon for $100. If you're looking for a dash cam that records in full HD, easy to operate, and easy to install, you can take a look at this REXING V1 Dashcam. I'll include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to click on the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and click on that notification bell so you get notified of new videos. Thank you for watching.